Hi, I'm Harry Holding and I run a garden design and maintenance company here in London. So welcome to my garden. It's tiny space, as you will see, maybe 3 meters by 3 meters, but it's my little slice of green paradise here in London. So being a rented property, it's really important to me to spend as little as possible and spend money on things that I can take with me to wherever I move next. So my green wall. This was the first green wall I ever built, and I saw it as an experiment, to be honest. We've done lots of green walls now in different clients' gardens, and with all experiments, some things went wrong. Putting the fascia at the top here meant it's just romped away, loving that sunlight up there. It's doing so well. But down here, these poor lazula have just faded away, and we really need to change it with something that's going to tolerate that deep shade. But a great way to bring some greenery into vertical surfaces. Pots. So the other thing I've gone pretty mad with, to be honest, is pots. There's a lot of them, and this garden is predominantly hard landscaping. So I wanted to bring in greenery somehow, and it's the perfect way. No two of them really match. There's not much unity to them, but I haven't purchased a single one. Either they're from online, just recycled, or they're from clients' gardens when we've redesigned and they're no longer wanted. So probably one of my highlights at the moment, this little detail, this fern Droptris erythrosora, and these fronds here, as they unfurl in spring, this beautiful burgundy, which turns to orange before settling on this lush green. Evergreen in London, just a good way to bring a bit of sort of dynamic colour to spring. So another way to bring some greenery to vertical surfaces, climbers. We borrowed this one here from our neighbour, don't think they mind. It's Clematis armandii, coming into flower in late winter, beautiful scent to it. You're all familiar, I'm sure. Love the sort of long elliptical leaves. And then probably the most unusual plant and my favourite one in this garden is Tetrapanax paprifia rex. So I've put it in this pot for a few reasons. It gets large, sadly a bit too large for this space. It also suckers and sends out runners, so it's just a good way to contain it. But this is 2 years in this pot, and these leaves will, by the end of the season, easily get to 600 wide. Really great, large tropical leaf. Good doer. So I think the thing with the small garden I found is having that evergreen base. I want to be able to come out here and year round have a bit of greenery surrounding me. I think for me that's my preference, and so we've got a lot of grasses like Anamanthale lawsoniana, ferns, Droptris strata, and that means when you come out in spring you've just got the lush green growth. And then eventually we've got a few perennials which sprout up through, like veronicastrums and anemones, and I just think picking a few plants which give a long season of interest, that's sort of been my tactic here, but it's just having that evergreen base. So I think the challenges with this garden, being a rental property, also north facing, so it's very shady, and we haven't chosen that. We haven't chosen the hard landscaping. So like I've said, it's about trying to pick things which are going to bring you that joy while you're here, but that you can also take with you and not invest in too much, because ultimately we don't own this space. So I think gardens are incredibly important. Obviously over the next few months we're all going to be spending a lot more time in our homes, so tend to the plants, great for the mind, good way to stay healthy, and yeah, everyone just stay safe, and thank you for coming to see my little space here in London, and take care. Thank you.